Typhoon, I should say. So stand by.
Oh, yeah.
Turn there, he's gone straight to idle. He's actually slowing the jet down in this turn, and he's positioning for a low-speed, high-alpha pass. During this manoeuvre, Scott's got the control stick all the way back in his stomach, and the onboard computers, of which there are almost 80, are actually controlling the jet's angle of attack to the oncoming airflow, allowing it to slow down to speeds of around 150 miles per hour, which is very slow for a fast jet, and Scott's controlling his height just using the throttle in this manoeuvre. You'll see him afterwards go into reheat for a minimum radius turn to really demonstrate the agility of the RAF Typhoon.
I want to go.
Typhoon now parked on 20,000 pounds of thrust at maximum reheat, allowing the Typhoon to have a top speed of over twice the speed of sound and to reach an altitude of over 65,000 feet. Scott repositions for another velocity vector barrel roll. Those small puffs of vapour that sometimes when Scott's pulling high amounts of G. And as it comes around the corner now, he's positioning for a fantastic photo opportunity, inverted flight bar. He's going to roll in the middle for us. At the end of this manoeuvre, Scott will be pushing to negative 1.5 G, and he's going to pull straight round into a 9G turn. A change of 10.5 G, the pilot's working very hard there. The onboard anti-G equipment.
I'll just help you out there, Eric, because 10G is 10 times your body weight. That is extreme. Absolutely extreme.
Yeah, it's very hard work.
Okay, well, I'll tell you a bit more why he doesn't black out later on.
Scott with the climbing aileron roll there. Looks like he's fitting in a portion from the full sequence. He's coming around now for a brand new manoeuvre for 2009. That's one of the last times he's going to perform it. He's going to do a 60 degrees nose down bunt. During this manoeuvre, he'll have the stick all the way forward and he'll be experiencing negative 2.5 G, which is extremely uncomfortable, pushing all the blood up to his head, and then pulling straight back on the stick when he reaches the bottom. Typhoon's airframe is largely constructed of carbon fibre composites and light alloy materials. This saves weight. Turn, it's worth noting that the Typhoon will in fact accelerate even at 9G, and as it comes round from the left, dropping down to around 100 feet, accelerating up to 600 miles an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Royal Air Force Typhoon display and Squadron Leader Scott Lockridge.